Why, might you ask, did theatre enthusiasts in the late 18th to early 19th century start turning their gazes towards the sublime, the supernatural, and the emotional depths of the human heart? The answer lies in the era's dramatic shift towards Romanticism, a movement that forever changed the world of theatre. The Romantic movement emphasized emotion, imagination, and individualism. It sought to evoke powerful emotional responses from audiences and explore themes of nature, the supernatural, and the sublime. The Romantics rejected all artistic rules, believing that genius creates its own rules. Their focus was more on creating dramatic mood and atmosphere than in developing believable plots or depth of character. In Germany, a parallel movement known as Sturm und Drang rebelled against the constraints of neoclassical drama, embracing themes of passion, rebellion, and the irrational. Playwrights such as Johann Wolfgang von Goethe and Friedrich Schiller wrote influential works that anticipated Romanticism. Romantic theatre also incorporated elements of nationalism and folklore, drawing inspiration from national myths, legends, and traditions. Playwrights like Henrik Ibsen in Norway and Alexander Pushkin in Russia explored themes of national identity and cultural heritage. Romantic playwrights weren't just innovative in their themes, they also experimented with dramatic form, breaking from the conventions of classical theatre to explore new modes of expression. This experimentation manifested in innovative narrative structures, non-linear plots, and symbolic imagery. The evolution of Romantic theatre also saw the emergence of two forerunners to the modern director in the 19th century. In England, David Garrick championed a more natural style of acting. He argued for careful character development, thorough preparation, and research. Garrick was also a strict disciplinarian, requiring performers to be on time, know their lines, and act instead of simply recite. He even stopped the practice of allowing audience members to sit on the stage. In Germany, Johann Wolfgang von Goethe became what is known as a Regisseur, or dictatorial director. He rehearsed for long periods of time and expected his performers to work as an ensemble. Goethe emphasized careful stage composition and oversaw settings and costumes. He even laid down rules for the conduct of his audiences. Two Europeans significantly developed the art of directing in the 19th century: the opera composer Richard Wagner and George II, the Duke of Saxe-Meiningen. Wagner's concept of a unified artwork controlled by one person influenced 20th century theories of total theatre and directing. The Duke of Saxe-Meiningen opposed the star system, and his productions were famous for their intricately planned crowd scenes and historically accurate settings and costumes. In conclusion, the late 18th to early 19th century was a time of tremendous change and innovation in the theatre world. The Romantic movement, with its emphasis on emotion, individualism, and the sublime, ushered in a new era of theatre that broke with tradition and embraced the new. It was a time of experimentation and innovation, a time when the rules of drama were rewritten and the role of the director was redefined. The echoes of this revolutionary period can still be felt in the theatre of today, a testament to the enduring power and influence of Romantic theatre.